we have two topics here. One is the role of development assistance in the global response to counter-microbial threats. And the second is, I'd say, quite a sort of practical business economics type issue around how we think about supply chain sustainability in resource-limited settings. Now, to tackle the first of these, Dean is going to talk to this. I hesitate to say anything about Dean's bio because when you start listing all the things that Dean has written in global health, we could be here till lunchtime. You're very distinguished. Dean, for those of you who don't know, Professor Emeritus of Global Health at the University of California, San Francisco. He's also been Professor of Global Health at the University of Washington. He's been the Visiting Professor of Public Health and International Development at HKS and at the Harvard T.C. Chan School of Public Health. He's been in UCLA. He's been at the World Bank. He has written vast amounts. One of the big things he was involved in was the Lancet Commission report, the 2035 thing that Larry referred to yesterday. So it's a long list. Dean.
Well, Peter, thank you